G'day everyone, Damien Johns here, just for another round of tuition for you. So today we're going to be looking at support and resistance. So I just wanted to bring you Bitcoin's chart retrospectively and just to have a look at what it's done along the way. So I'm just zooming in on back in 2020 here. So this is the OKX chart. Now, if you're looking to think, oh, hang on, Bitcoin's been around longer than that, then you can go to other charts, but the OKX chart that I use here doesn't have historical data, but for the purposes of this video, it's not really relevant. So what I want to do is show you a couple of things. So if you look at the movement of the coin, you can actually see that there is some element of a place where it will bounce off consistently. So if you look at something along this here, we have a line here that started as resistance. So it bounced there, it came away, and this is called a retest. So just to put that into a visual for you, it's come up, it's bounced off, and it's retested it, and it's won the battle. So the buyers have won the battle there, and it's been able to come back through. And what's happened is that this line has come up, it's been able to come all the way through here, and it hit support again. And what happened was it fell through it. Now, slowly, it's come up here and it's found its way to what this is now called a resistance line. So this support line can also be resistance. So in this instance, it is support where it's bounced off. And in this instance, it is resistance using the same line where it won't go through. So just something to be alert to. Now, this support and resistance line can actually be fairly dynamic in that it can move and bend and shape to wherever it needs to be at a given moment. So that's the line back then, but it's right now sitting at a line through here. So you can see here that the more touches, the better. So what's happened here, we have come through, found an area of support through a bear market. So a bear market means that the trend is bearish. So that's not a very well drawn line, but it just shows the direction of the trend. It's come down here and it's actually bounced off the support line several times. Now you can see that I'm adjusting it to kind of suit a little bit more of an accurate analysis. And what you have is what I think of it as like a bouncing ball. So it's come down, it's bounce, bounce. Oh, let's have a little bit of a go. Bounce, 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 bounce. And eventually, when it tries to penetrate through, it eventually may, and then it becomes resistant. So what's happened now is that it's coming back and it's thinking about, well, can it push? And the buyers don't have the strength to make that happen. So just to clear some of those lines away, that's what it looks like. So hopefully that gives you some element of what a support and resistance line can be. And in the next video, I'll go into support and resistance zones. Have a great day.